Welcome to One Byte Solution. Today we will see how we can download any YouTube video for free. Go to www.youtube.com and search for any video you want to download and just click on the video. Click on the link above the video and copy complete URL of video. Now on New tab type in savefrom.net and press enter. Paste the link from a video here and then press download. You can choose resolution of your video to download, and on pressing download button it will get downloaded. Choose the desired location on your Windows to save your video. You can click on arrow button and choose Show in Folder to open folder where it is downloaded. That is how you can download your YouTube video on your desktop.